How to uninstall Barclays app on Android. First of all, go to the home screen or app drawer on your device where all your apps are located. Next, find the Barclays app icon. Press and hold the Barclays app icon until a menu appears or the icon starts to move. Drag the icon to the uninstall option that appears at the top or tap the uninstall button in the menu. Confirm the uninstall by tapping OK or delete when prompted. Once confirmed, the Barclays app will be completely removed from your Android device. If you want to reinstall it later, you can download it anytime from the Google Play Store. Now you know how to uninstall the Barclays app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.